Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to play Chamber. Now Chamber's got basically two abilities. One is this, the Rendezvous. Rendezvous basically allows you to teleport from one of them to the other. Now this does have a range. For example, if I put it here, there is no minimap right now, but in the game you're going to have a minimap. And even if you don't have a minimap, you have this radius. As you can see, this circle line is as far as this line goes. Right here is the menu, like, and if I go into this room, I can teleport right back here. And you've got this slow. What does the slow thingy do? Let me show you guys. Wait, let's practice. So if I put one right here,
that's a good spot.
I don't think it's gonna
that works.
Get detected. Okay, these blocks don't detect, but if an enemy tries to run around near this range, as you can see that circle, the range, that's the range. If someone tries to run through the range, they're gonna get detected. The only way they can't get detected is if they smoke this off or, wall it off or something like that. And then you've got your other two ability, one being the Headhunter, and then the other one being Tour de Force. Now Tour de Force is an operator that basically the ultimate is an operator, and every time you kill someone, it's gonna give them this slow, and if anyone tries to walk through it, even if it's you, you're gonna get slowed. Now I'm not gonna do any of those bot training resume to show you guys further, because honestly there's Chamber is basically a sentinel character that's a duelist in short. Like if he had his double traps, then at least he would have been considered as a sentinel. But the way he is right now, you've got your Headhunter, which is a gun, you've got your Tour de Force, which is a gun, and then you've got only one trap. I don't know what Riot devs are smoking, but they're smoking something. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.